Here's how to use the Vote Coasters mobile portal in 60 seconds. Click the magnifying glass to search for roller coasters or theme parks. Drag roller coasters from the search box to your list. You can reorder the roller coasters in your list by dragging them up or down. Remove roller coasters from your list by swiping left, or select them by swiping right. By selecting multiple roller coasters, you can either bulk move them, group them together so they're all in an equal position, unselect them, or delete them all. To add a roller coaster to your list or batch area quickly, double tap it on the search box. You can decide where the roller coaster goes by toggling between the icons at the bottom of your screen. The arrow sends them to the bottom of your list, while the box sends them to your batch area. The batch area allows you to collect all the roller coasters you've ridden before adding them to your list. To submit your list, simply log out. Your list is saved in real time, so you can log out and come back to it throughout November. We hope you enjoy voting. Click the I button to return back to the voting portal.